Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how to present your designs this way on Figma. Without further ado, let's get started. Make sure you have your designs ready, the designs you would like to present. Then the first thing I'll do is to create a frame and give it the dimension of 2000. Now use my eyedropper to pick this color. Then create a rectangle with my rectangle tool and give it the same dimension my design has, which is 1440 by 900. 1440 by 900. I'll pick this color here with my eyedropper tool. Then the next thing I'll do is to duplicate this rectangle. Duplicate it. Then take this the rectangle below and swap the fill to stroke with Shift X. So now we have a rectangle with fill and a rectangle with stroke. Then I'll select both rectangle and around the edges with 32 pixels here. Then the next thing I'll do is to bring my design here, place it here, and I'll round the edges also, give it 32. Now what we want to do is to separate the elements by moving our design to the right a bit and move to the top a bit. So I'll select the design, move it to the right by 32 pixels to 4. Let's check. Yes, 32 pixels. Then move it to the top by 32 pixels also. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm holding shift while I'm moving the elements. When you hold shift and move an element, it's going to move by 8 pixels. So the next thing is to take this rectangle with stroke and move it to the left and bottom by 32 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 32 here, 32 here. 32 here. Let's go for 32. Okay. So now I'll select these 3 elements all together. Then go to the resources, the plugins tabs, then search for Skew. I've searched for it already. Search for Skew, then click on it to run it. They change this horizontal value to 12. It depends on how much you want to skew your design. You can take it to the left if you want, or take it to the right. But in this case, I'm using 12 degrees. Now close this. Now I'm going to make my elements bigger with my scale tool. Now I'm going to make my elements bigger by using the scale tool. Make it bigger. Move it to the right. Position it properly, and that's it. That's how to create this cool effect on Figma. This second design is just it's the same way, but in this case is to the left, and I added shadow a bit. Added shadow a bit to it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.